Let's make a smoothie today that doesn't taste like grass and dirt. Here's what you need: ginger, coconut water, frozen mango, spinach, lime juice, unflavored super collagen, blender butt. We're just gonna, you just put it in the blender and then you hit it on. I like to start by putting the spinach first so that everything else weighs it down. Otherwise they're all at the top and they're just like flooding around. It's like, hey guys, I need you to get blended. It's time to die. It's time to get shredded. Get it? Because the spinach gets shredded and then I get shredded. Let's put like a bunch of that in there. That seems good. Next, we're gonna put some ginger. My last video, I said I was gonna make some guidelines for me to follow so that way I don't overcommit myself to something and then ultimately fail at it and then feel like crap about it, give up on it, binge eat, and create a vicious cycle for myself that I just don't want to be a part of. Just snap in some ginger. We're gonna do the big one today. Here are my guidelines. 45 minutes of consecutive activity, 5 days a week. That can be walking, cycling, stretching, weightlifting. As long as I'm moving for 45 minutes, 5 days a week, and it makes me feel good, I'm gonna do it. My next guideline is about drinking, and let's be honest, I have no reason to stop right now, so I'm not gonna put that pressure on me to actually quit. So instead, I'm just gonna limit it because alcohol doesn't make me feel good anyway. I'll drink when I want to, but I'll probably just have like 1 or 2 drinks that I actually enjoy drinking. Let's be realistic. I'm gonna still live my life and have a drink if I want to and not feel bad about it. Here's some mango, and this is a 1/4 cup. I normally don't measure it. I just don't want to stick my hand in the bag. Like there's no real, I just kind of put whatever I want in it. That didn't go the way that I planned. My next guideline I'm setting for myself is just portion control. Over the weekend, I was a little naughty and I got Thai food. It was amazing. I got wings, rice, wonton, just all the good stuff. The crazy thing is I still lost weight because I portion controlled, which is something I'm still getting used to practicing because usually when I eat good food like that, I just want to eat it. I'm like, I gotta enjoy it because if I don't enjoy it now, I'm gonna be eating healthy all week and I'm not gonna enjoy that as much. But now I'm telling myself that I enjoy it a little bit right then and there and I save a little bit for later, then I get to enjoy it again later. My other guideline for myself is just to prepare food in advance. This smoothie is super easy and quick to put together and I make a lot of it so that way I can have it for a couple days. So tomorrow when I'm like, oh, I don't know, I just want a quick snack, smoothie made in the fridge. Boom. My last guideline is just to drink water. I just need to drink more water and be more consistent with it. This is lime juice. I would suggest using real limes, but this is all I have. A little citrus, and I'm putting this in for 2 reasons. 1 is it tastes good. 2 is I'm using collagen, and I did some research. I found that, and most people, collagen is best absorbed in I found that this is absorbed better in your system when you have it with citrus. I just sprinkle it in there. If I had an actual lime, I would do maybe like half a lime. These are guidelines that I'm setting up for the beginning to start to develop better habits. I want to be able to eat whatever I want to eat when I want to eat it, but not feel guilty about it after. And I don't want to feel like I have to punish myself after. Like if I ate that Thai food, I don't want to have to feel like I need to work out for 2 hours the next day in order to make up for it. I'm gonna eat the Thai food. I'm gonna enjoy the Thai food. I'm gonna love the Thai food. And then the next day, I'm gonna move my body because I can. Second to last thing I'm putting in, collagen. This is for healthy skin, hair, nails, and joint support. 1 serving size is 1 scoop. And it has 6 grams of protein. I'm gonna put in 2 scoops. The reason I do unflavored is because I actually just like the flavor of the mango and lime and fruit. I'm gonna do a little bit more. We'll keep the flavor to flavor flav. Yeah, it makes sense if you don't think about it. Last step, put in coconut water. And this one's the lime flavor. Normally I would do lime or pineapple or mango flavor, but today we're gonna do some lime. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the whole bottle. Make sure you recycle. Then we just pop this lid on there. You got the blender butt. Feels right. I should probably take the lid all the way off. Okay, let's try it. I taste fruity, mango, a little teeny bit of spice from the ginger. That's why I like to use the unflavored collagen, because I get to just taste a fruit smoothie. So quick and easy. Took me 5 minutes. I don't have to cut anything. I don't have to measure anything out. I just make this and then I have this for a couple days and you're good to go. The point of this though is that it doesn't have to be complicated. My guidelines are simple. I've already been following these guidelines for the whole past week. It's not about restricting yourself. It's about teaching yourself to trust your own mind and your own wants and needs. I'm still working on it, but this week wasn't that terrible. Trying to just have a balance. If you like my guidelines, if you like the recipe that I just shared with you, make sure you guys subscribe, comment below, share this with people, and follow along with the journey. I mean, so far so good. So I'll see you next week.